What's up, guys? So, here is what am I going to be showing today is my Jordan ones. They are my favorite shoe. So if you guys are ready, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and share the ones that you have. So interesting. These are the shoes. Yeah, so these are the Jordans. These are the regular shoes. The Jordans. And open it is these. Um, this shoe is my favorite. You got the sun and the Nike and on the front. See on the front, like Air Jordan sign right here. You don't know you guys can see it. Then on the back, you just got the Jordan sign. You know you guys can see it's right there. And the best thing I like about these shoes, one of my favorite shoes. So yeah, some dirt in it. Freaking shit. Yeah, you got the little Nike sign on here. And yeah. And if you are going to get these shoes, you can get them from Foot Locker. And these are the 23s. 23s. And 23s. Right here. And I'm going to get you a 360 shoe. Yeah, you can also get your shoes. If you would have to get your shoes either the store, closest store that you know, Walmart or none that stuff. I mean, not Walmart, because they don't have stuff for like toys and stuff. Yeah. So go ahead and look this video and go to shout out to my friend Joaquin Simmons. If you guys want to go look him up, you can go look him up right now. Just leave this video and just go look him up. His name is Rocky, ROCKY space RESI and then and yeah. So if you guys go ahead and leave a thumbs up on the video, go ahead and go to that guy. Yeah. So if you guys want, bye. Bye. So yeah, let's go ahead and leave the like button on if you're supporting my this video. So,